Hello, this is Dr. Seth Evans, and I'd like to talk today about a topic that is near and dear to my heart, and that is earwax. It's a very exciting topic, I know. Specifically, I'd like to talk about two very common misconceptions that I see a lot of my patients have about earwax. So the first misconception is that earwax means that your ears are dirty. And this is actually not true at all. Earwax is something that your body actually makes, and there's two main components to it. One of those is old layers of skin that have fallen off from the inside of the ear, and the other component is sort of an oily substance that's produced by the inside of the ear. And all of that mixes together to form earwax. And the wax has a function. It protects your ear from loud noise, and it protects from things getting into your ear as well. It also has some properties that help to block infections from either bacteria or fungus. So it does have a function. The problem is that sometimes there can be too much wax, or the wax can get pushed in to where it's stuck, and then it can start causing issues. So the second major misconception that I see about earwax is that it needs to be cleaned out. And for most patients, that's not true. The body actually has a way to naturally clear ears out. And for most people, if you leave your ears alone, the wax will naturally fall out on its own. Some people, that's not true. Certain people make really hard or very dense wax, and other people just make so much wax that it just clogs everything up. And for that subset of patients, coming into having it cleaned out is necessary. The best thing you can do personally for your earwax is to avoid sticking anything down in your ear, especially Q-tips. The problem with Q-tips is they don't really clean wax out very well. They'll clean some out, but then they'll end up pushing most of it farther in. And what can happen is it gets packed down onto the eardrum. And that's uncomfortable, it blocks hearing, and it can cause other problems. It's also more difficult for me to clean when that's happened. So the best thing to do, I think, is just to leave your ears alone and let them take care of themselves. If you are someone who builds up a lot of wax, there are ways to soften the wax and flush it out with warm water, and that's pretty safe to do at home. There's kits you can buy at the drugstore, like Debrox, that are good ways to do that at home. So anyway, that's your daily wax update from Dr. Seth Evans. If you have problems with earwax or any other ear, nose, and throat issues, feel free to come and see me anytime. Talk to you soon.